What made it important? Well, I told you that Google is changing everything, right? It's not a constant algorithm. It's changing almost every day. Sometimes we see it. Sometimes Google just announce that they're going to make a major update, major algorithm update. But sometimes they don't even say that they are going to kind of change it. They make the changes on the background, and our tools that we use these tools to understand the Google algorithm and understand the changes on rankings, they can try to understand and they can try to model the Google algorithm. Yes, it's $1 million question, it's $1 trillion question. What's the goal? How to understand the Google algorithm? It's like Coca-Cola's formula. No one knows it. But we still try to understand how Google kind of reacts to the changes that we make on the website. So Panda, Penguin, and Hummingbird, Pigeon, Mobile, Fred, those major algorithm changes always come with a name. It's, for example, a Penguin. I'm going to talk about Penguin because it's important. It's all about like the quality links. Yeah, Penguin killed all like the fake links that you create on your website. Panda killed, remember the things that you put on your website. Actually, it's killed before Panda. It's something else, not Panda, but remember people are putting kitchen cabinets and countertops on a white font on a white background. So your website is going to be filled with kitchen cabinets and countertops keywords. It's not working anymore. The Google is going to penalize you just if you try to do that. That's how they just changed Google algorithm, and that's how all search engines algorithms just evaluating. It's important to understand this is not a constant thing. It is changing every day. So, well, what are those three biggest changes? For example, for the first one, if you still copy and paste the content, you're not making the things on the right way. So I see most of our clients prior to our partnership, they just copy and paste from their, let's say, cabinet maker or countertop manufacturer's website. People go there, copy the content from, let's say, Cambria's website. They just copy the content and put it on their website. It's not a good way. It's to duplicate content, and you need to make your pages at least 70% unique, at least 70%. Other 30% could be the call to actions, like your footer, and like maybe you're talking about your reviews in every page. That could be, but 70% at least there has to be unique content. And city pages. What I mean by it is, well, city pages is an answer to Google's relevancy test. So what that means is, look, right now I'm in New Jersey, right? I'm in Cliffside Park. Next town is, let's say, Fort Lee, right where the George Washington Bridge is located, Fort Lee. If I have a showroom in Cliffside Park, and if people are searching for kitchen remodelers or countertops in Fort Lee, and when I create a specific page for Fort Lee countertops or Fort Lee kitchen cabinets, Google will rank this page, not my main page, not my main homepage. Google is going to rank this page specifically designed and delivered for Fort Lee homeowners. And imagine that you do this for at least 10 cities. Imagine that you do this for at least 10 different cities. That is going to bring you the highest, like the ROI, or maybe the really high income families are living there, right? Average household income is high right there. And imagine that you're doing this for those towns. Well, the competition is going to be it's not going to be easy if a lot of people misunderstand the the profitability of this town. It's going to be some sort of competition there. But yeah, at least create the page, put it there. We're going to talk about on-page and off-page SEO as well. Try to kind of adjust these things, and it's going to help you. So again, yeah, 70% uniqueness is, we still need every single page on our website. Quality links. So backlinks, it's link building. So I talk about Panda, right? Here we see another Panda kind of update for like an icon here. Well, it's all about like a really quality and relevant links. For example, if spammy website is talking about your company, that happens because these spammers just try to kind of manipulate and try to put a lot of links on their website, on their own website, and they may grab your links from somewhere and they can put it there, right? And we need to disavow those links. We need to disconnect these links from your website. This is like a maintenance, because your website is like a magnet. There, you will just try to, your website, your domain is going to collect the quality links and the bad quality links, high quality links and bad quality links, right? And you need to disavow the bad quality links from your website. It's a disavow process. Google has tools for this. It's a technical thing. If you don't do disavow, if you don't really know how to do it, don't try to do it on your own without an expert, because you get penalized. This is some sort of a serious project. There are a lot of kind of things that is need to be kind of considered, but you need to disavow your website from the spammy links. And we use SEMrush, or like different tools that we have in place to understand the what are the spammy links on your page, what are the good links on your page and bad ones, and we disconnect these bad ones from your page, and Google do not kind of consider that links anymore when they try to rank your website. So, and at the same time, while avoiding those bad links, you need to put the good ones. For example, let's say if your cabinet maker or countertop manufacturer just mentioned your company on one of their blog posts, and believe me, those national cabinet makers and countertop manufacturers has a high authority, right? You're gonna start gaining authority right there. Or you can change links. You can change links with the pages with might have with a high authority. Or I'm going to talk about syndication. I'm going to talk about press release. You can use that if you don't have anything in the industry that you cannot change links. You can use press release. It's on the next slides. I'm going to talk about that real soon. And the very last thing, you need a physical location. PO boxes doesn't work anymore. Google literally kind of penalized the businesses who are just trying to manipulate. If you have, like I talk about Cliffside Park, right? I don't have anyone in Fort Lee, right? By the George Washington Bridge. I don't have anyone there, right? But I pretend like that I have a showroom right there. I create a Google My Business site for another town. You're gonna get penalized. You're gonna be penalized just for this action, just because it's not a smart move. It's not a smart move anymore. Not for just kitchen and bath, and not for anyone else. It's not the smartest things, because you are trying to manipulate Google's algorithm rankings, algorithm decisions, and you're gonna pay for it.